Hey y'all, this is Ryan Schwab with the Luchak Group at Keller Williams Client's Choice Realty, here again with a beautiful home on 5725 Dusty Chaps Drive. We're here in the Indigo Ranch at Ridgeview neighborhood. Really rare find coming on the market, 5 beds, 4 baths, 3-car garage. Wonderful home. Let's go take a look inside. As you enter the main level where pride of ownership is evident, you are welcomed into a formal room that is versatile enough to serve as a sophisticated dining area, a serene sitting room, or a charming space for your grand piano. The heart of the home is the main living area, featuring an updated kitchen with stunning cabinets, modern lighting, and beautiful countertops. Adjacent to the kitchen is a cozy living room centered around a beautiful gas fireplace, creating a warm and inviting atmosphere. An office or playroom overlooking your pristine backyard completes this level, providing a quiet workspace or inviting children's play area with inspiring views. Upstairs, the full-size master suite is a luxurious retreat. It boasts a walk-in shower, a relaxing jet tub, an oversized closet, and his and her sinks. With 3 additional bedrooms on this floor, there is plenty of space for children or guests. These rooms can be repurposed to suit your needs, whether you require an extra office, an art studio, or a personal lounge space. Moving down to the lower level of this home, we're designed for entertainment and comfort. The spacious layout is perfect for a pool table, making it an ideal spot for gatherings. This third major entertaining space offers ample storage and includes a massive 5th bedroom designed as a mother-in-law suite. The backyard oasis is the crowning jewel of this property, featuring a covered patio with new Trek decking, custom heating, a fire pit, and immaculate landscaping. It is a sanctuary you can enjoy year-round. Whether hosting a summer barbecue or cozying up by the fire pit on a crisp evening, this outdoor space is perfect for creating cherished memories. Nestled within the highly sought-after D49 school district, this stunning home offers a unique blend of elegance, comfort, and convenience. Just 3 minutes from the Powers Corridor, you'll have quick access to an array of shopping and dining options. Breathtaking mountain views greet you from the front of the home, setting the tone for the picturesque living experience that awaits. The neighborhood is enriched with parks and walking trails perfect for outdoor enthusiasts and families alike. Thank you all for joining us on our tour of 5725 Dusty Chaps Drive today. As always, this home is going to come back with our 14-month Blue Ribbon home warranty. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to me, Ryan Schwab, or visit us on our website at makespringshome.com. Welcome home.